In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to recover your permanently disabled Facebook account. Let's get started. From your homepage, open your browser and search for Disabled Facebook Account Recovery. Look for the official Facebook website in the search results and click on it. This will take you to Facebook's Help Center, where you can find information about disabled accounts. Once you are on the Help Center page, scroll down until you see the section titled "Was this helpful?" Select No when prompted. Then choose "This solution doesn't work." A text box will appear, allowing you to write a message to the Facebook support team. In the text box, type the following: "Hello, Facebook team. I need your assistance to recover my disabled Facebook account." Email address: the email linked to your disabled Facebook account. The phone number associated with your account. Username: if you remember it, include your Facebook username. Contact email: an email address where Facebook can contact you about your recovery request. This information will help Facebook identify and verify your account. After filling in the required details, click the Submit button. Your request will be sent to Facebook for review. Facebook will review your submission and contact you at the email address you provided. Follow their instructions to recover your account.